Suite 102. We are going to get a complete repaint. I'm going to replace the flooring in the kitchen, and in the laundry it'll get a complete repaint. And the flooring in the laundry area has got a split down it. There's some closet doors to fix. There's some, somebody put up a TV mount and then tried to fix it. Stuff like that goes on. And I'm going to deal with some issues with the windows where the trim is expanding and creating a gap. We will replace a little baseboard. We're going to repaint that room completely as well. Bathroom's not too bad, but we're going to change some parts in there. And we're going to paint inside of closets. Another one of the fake TV attempts. Ooh, that's a dent. Oh, look at that. Some water damage from above. Previously, the other bathroom. Oh my, look above that light. Youch. That was probably from halogen lighting. Some water damage to baseboards and trim. So baseboards and trim will all get painted. I think maybe we should put in a couple of door stops. Look at them, they're just bent right up. Oh well. That light switch is going to need replacing. Another window where, well, I guess they've been leaving it open. And I believe moisture has swelled that and made it do what it's doing on both sides. So, this has been Don Moody of Handyman Reality, Edmonton, Alberta. It's about to start a full suite refresh. Suite 102. Can't remember the name of the building. Complete color change and change of the flooring because of a dishwasher issue that had destroyed some of the floor. But our color has been completely changed. Doors and trim, including inside closets. I hate that shelving. This was a bigger job than I originally had expected. Laundry room flooring replaced as well. Bedroom changed. All the colors changed. So, including multiple bathrooms. These used to have halogen lights which would burn above the lights. Those are all repaired. This has a massive walk-in closet and another bathroom. And again, it had the halogen lights which burned the ceiling. That's all been repaired. There's some issues back there by the toilet. That's been repaired. We are all complete in our color change, doors and trim. paint job with flooring repair.